Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make quick burger buns, only way. Start by proofing yeast in warm water with sugar and combine flour, salt, and melted butter. Knead briefly until smooth, then let the dough rise until doubled in size. Divide into equal portions, shape gently into buns, and allow a short second rise. Brush with egg wash, bake until golden, cool slightly, and assemble your burgers with confidence and ease. Warm greeting, friends. Let me walk you through the exact ingredients and simple tools needed for this quick bun method. Use active dry yeast, warm water, a pinch of sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, and melted butter for soft crumb and tender crust. Measure precisely, mix gently, and keep a clean workspace. A bowl, bench scraper, baking sheet, and parchment paper make shaping and cleanup effortless, so you can focus on fast, tasty results. Now I will guide you through the quick, practical steps to bake perfect burger buns every time. Mix wet and dry ingredients until just combined, then knead briefly until cohesive. Let the dough rise until doubled, punch it down gently, and divide into equal pieces. Shape into smooth rounds, allow a short second rise, brush with egg wash if desired, bake until golden, and cool on a rack so the crumb sets beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.